Hello, it's great to see you again, back for another video. Today I'm going to be creating an intermission inside ROBLOX Studio, so make sure to like and subscribe so I can release more of this content. So, there's not much more to say, let's begin. And before we begin, make sure to go and join my Discord server. Link is down in the description. Okay, so as I said in the beginning, we're going to be making a game loop. It's actually going to be quite easy. Follow my steps and you got this. So what we're going to do is going to open a classic base plate. So just go ahead on that and click on that. Yeah, so let's start making what we need to make. We need to make a lobby and a game area so we can teleport between the two. So what we're going to do is going to go to the workspace. We're going to select the base plate, go to scale, and we're going to size it down to a reasonable size for the lobby. That's not too bad. And then we can name the base plate lobby. And then we can change out the color, make it look a bit more nicer. And also let me get rid of this, let's change the surface, I don't like it. Top surface, we're just gonna change it to smooth. Yep, change the color to green. Something like that. Next, what you wanna do, you wanna go up to model and you want to add in a spawn location, just like that. And you can place that somewhat in the middle of the lobby. And also just get rid of the world. So next what we want to do is we want to make the game area. It's going to be the same again. Just take the lobby and duplicate it. Move it to the side, a bit like that. Boom. And then we can name it to game area. And then what we want to do now is we want to add in a little part. So this is the part that we're actually going to teleport to when we actually so pretty much it will say game starting in like 5 seconds. Once that's over, it'll teleport us to this part. Size it up a little bit, middle, anchor it, and just change the color to like blue, just like that. That's fine. And now we're gonna go ahead and name this to game area spawn, just like that. And then we're gonna duplicate it and we're going to move it to the lobby, and then we're going to call this lobby area spawn. And I deleted it. Anyway, lobby area spawn. There you go. And then what we can do is we can change the transparency of both of them. So just select both of them and select the transparency to 1, just like that. And then what we can do now is we can begin our scripting. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to place a script inside the service script service, just like that. Next, what you want to do is you want to go to replicated storage and we need to add some values. So first you're going to add in a string value, just like that. And we're going to name this string value to, what's it called? We're going to name it to status, just like that. And then we're going to add in a bool value, it's pretty much true or false. And we're going to name this to in round. Make sure it's capital for I and R. So now we can begin our scripting. I'm going to have the script down in the description because it's quite a lengthy one. So just watch me skim through this real quickly and I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, so I've just finished writing this all in. What we can now go on to is we can now go on to making the screen UI, and yeah, so let's go. We're going to go to started UI. We're going to insert a screen GUI. I'm going to call this, rename it, call it timer, insert text label, just like that. And then we can customize it to our liking. So I'm just going to drag this down a little bit, transparency to 0.5, just like that. And I get the text color. Well, first I'm going to do rich text, text scaled, but just like that. Change the font to, oh, it looks nice, I guess. I like what's it called? Not Goth. Is it Gotham? Yeah, Gotham Bold. I like Gotham Bold, just like that. And then we can rename the text timer. And then we're gonna go back up and we're gonna put the background color to black. And then we put the text to white, just like that. And we have a timer on the top of the screen. So next what we want to do is we actually want to insert the local script. So insert the local script, just like that, and we'll make sure to rename the text label to timer display. And now we can write out this up here, we're going to write out local status is equal to game dot replicated storage dot status, and then we're going to go down and we're going to write local timer display is equal to script parent dot timer display. We're going to go down again, we're going to write status dot changed colon connect to the function of nothing, so anonymous function, and then we're going to do timer display dot text is equal to status dot value, and we're done. We are done with the whole thing. It's like that. Okay, so before we go ahead and test it out, make sure to change this lobby area spawn to lobby spawn. I actually accidentally had it as lobby area spawn. Change it to lobby spawn, okay? So now we can go ahead and test it out and see what happens. Alright, so we spawned in the game. As you can see at the top, it says intermission for 12, 11, 10 seconds left. And let's just wait for that to finish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, we glitched out a little bit. But we can fix that easily by lifting it up in the air a little bit. 4, 3, and we should teleport back. 2, 1, and there we go. Just like that. And you can change it to as long as you want. Yeah. So pretty much, I've just shown you how to make a really cool, intermission timer. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm actually going to get a course, and I'm going to learn. I want to expand my knowledge, so I'm going to take a course and I'm going to learn a bit more, and hopefully I can show you what I've learned in a video. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, appreciate it.